Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can rename your squad on the FIFA Ultimate Team 23. Okay, so first of all we have to go for our club, so we have to switch from the home to the club by using the R1 button on your controller and then open your squad. Right now when you are here you have to click on the left 2 button on your controller and go for the squad selector. Open it and then you can go for one of the squad. For example, I would like to rename this one, so I have to click on the square. As you can see, the rename option is right here below. You can also press on it with your mouse if you are on the PC, and by using wheel, never mind, one more time, I just misclick. So rename, and to get rid of that currently name we have to go right here and keep tapping on the square, and here we can quickly input new name, like for example we can get this random name, and to confirm we can go right here for the done or just tap options. And yeah, as you can see, the squad name has changed, and that's how we can make it on the FIFA 23 Ultimate Team. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.